requesting tenant. Throughout this, the system also maintains critical state management for the tenant lifecycle, active, suspended, or terminated states, and manages tenant-scoped user sessions that expire and require reauthentication, all designed to reinforce isolation. Multi-tenancy isn't just a theoretical concept. It's the backbone of many of the large-scale SaaS platforms you use every day. Let's look at some real-world examples. Consider Slack's multi-tenant architecture, which processes logs for millions of workspaces. They achieve tenant isolation by using tenant-aware Kafka topics, where each workspace or tenant gets dedicated topic partitions. This ingenious approach ensures message isolation while allowing them to share the underlying Kafka infrastructure efficiently. Pause. Another excellent example is Microsoft Azure Monitor. Azure implements a hybrid isolation strategy, utilizing shared ingestion infrastructure but with tenant-specific data stores. They employ robust tenant routing at the API gateway level, directing each customer's logs to isolated storage partitions, providing both scalability and strong data separation. These sophisticated implementations highlight some crucial key design principles you must embrace. First, tenant context must be everywhere. Every API call, every database query, and every processing job should explicitly include tenant identification. Never rely on implicit context. Second, design for fail-safe isolation. If tenant context is ever missing, operations should fail securely, rather than risking the exposure of data to the wrong tenants. And third, build for scalable resource allocation that can enforce per-tenant limits without complex coordination across system components, preventing any single tenant from monopolizing resources. These principles are your compass for successful multi-tenant design. Now, let's translate these concepts into practical implementation steps and ensure our system is production ready. For your database schema design, a fundamental step is to always include a tenant ID column in all relevant tables. For example, in a log entries table,